Hi everyone, it's Leanne with Expressible. Today I'm discussing how to use books to develop early language skills and literacy. Research has shown that when compared to kids whose families read them 5 books a day, kids who are not read to can experience a gap in vocabulary exposure of up to 1.4 million words. And that's a lot of potential. But some families might not be sure of how to keep reading engaging and helpful for their children. So I'm here to help. First things first, books are amazing resources. They open gateways to literacy and imagination, but don't let books boss you around. When reading with your child, especially if they're young, you don't have to read every word on the page. If your child's still a toddler, complicated language in a book might go over their head. So instead, you could spend some time looking at the pictures, commenting on what you see, and checking in to see if they can point out what you're talking about. Bath time. I see a pig. Go up the stairs. Incorporating pointing and hand gestures and fun voices can keep books engaging. We want kids to learn to enjoy reading, and it shouldn't feel like a chore. Take some opportunities to see if your child is able to point to pictures in the book that you name. Where's the cow? If they need some help, you can do modeling. Cow! Your child may start to imitate the words that you model, so you could take an opportunity to do a language expansion. Cow says moo. A lot of children's books have fantastic rhyme schemes, and that's great for developing pre-literacy skills. As your child gets older, you can start to stick to the book's written text more and more. To take a bath in one big tub with soap all over, scrub, scrub, scrub. Keep in mind that you might not be able to fit 5 books in one day. Families are busy. It might be hard to find time to even get one done. But don't worry. Just do your best to make a routine of book reading. Do you read 1 after you wake up each morning? Or maybe 2 after dinner's all clean? Or maybe you try to read as many as you can before they fall asleep at night. There's tons of great resources out there to get your hands on lots of books without spending a fortune too. Public libraries, book swaps, Facebook Marketplace, neighborhood libraries, and even free online books. Don't forget, too, that kids crave repetition, so you might go through some real favorite book phases with them. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to the Expressible channel for more speech-language therapy ideas and tips.